Hi everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your piano teacher. If you want to discover about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel in the description of this video. I'm leaving the link below. And you can also find the link for my artistic channel. Now let's go to our lesson. Today I want to play and talk about Down by the Salley Gardens, the B3 piece from the Grade 1 Piano Exam Pieces ABRSM, the 2021-2022. This one is not that complicated to play, quite simple. This is a very interesting start. There is an indication, a note left by the ABRSM, by the publisher, and simply writing the words of the arranger, that is David Blackwell. I will play first, and then I will mention a few things related to the music sheet. Yeah. Let me hear first now. The speed is 76 per crotchets. So, according to what the arranger is mentioning here, you could even start whenever you think. But obviously I think that to make it simple, start exactly on the 4th count for now, yeah? It's interesting the shape that has been used for the left-hand notes. This shape reminds me some very old notes. Let's say the grandfather of the semi-breve. Anyways, they have to be held down, so you have to hold the notes up to the end of the first line. Really imagine that you are imitating a singer singing this melody. It's also mentioned in the notes. Listen to the tune and make it as beautiful as you can. Imagine you are a singer. Yeah, this is usually what I feel and what I imagine when I play. I really imagine to sing these notes. To make it even more possible, remember the golden rule of breathing in between the phrases. So when you start, gentle drop on the notes. When you end the phrase, you have to release the last note. So release, lift a little bit the hand, and then you drop again. Let me play 1 second, for example, the first and the second phrase, simply letting you pay attention only to the right hand. So you see, and then if you go on da 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 di da di da da di da na 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 da da. What is very interesting, if you pay attention a few seconds, is that the first two phrases are played again here with a different, obviously, arrangement, so different notes of the left hand. This is quite interesting of this arrangement. Keep in mind that you have to always breathe in between the phrases. respect as much as you can the phrasing and the fingering, and it definitely will be easy for you. I'm going to play it even slower than 76 using the metronome at, for example, let's say 50 maybe, yeah? Will be very, very, very slow, but to help you just checking the notes. Et voila! I want to spend a few words about the dynamics. As you can see, you start piano, then there is a crescendo taking you to mezzo piano, so the step straight after the piano. Then one more crescendo taking you to the following step, mezzo forte. This is the point of highest intensity. After the mezzo forte there is a sudden mezzo piano this time, a very short increasing and decreasing of the sound, so small crescendo and decrescendo or diminuendo, but then again diminuendo taking you to the piano that is the first. Indeed, it seems to be a kind of triangle, the one that you make with the sound, except a very short moment in which you increase and decrease the sound, but in general can be definitely considered like a big triangle. A few words about the notes. These are A, C and E, yeah? A, C and E, and obviously this is E again. Don't forget the rallentando at the end. Rallentando means slowing down by degrees. So you have to simply gradually slow down up to the end, up to the last note. I don't think that there is that much that has to be mentioned regarding this piece. It's really, really nice. But if you have any question, if you have some doubts regarding some of the bars or some of the phrases, don't hesitate to comment and to let me know. Let me know how you are studying it, if there is anything that you are doing that I didn't mention at all, or any different idea regarding how to study it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have never done until today. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Bye.